Namaste guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be learning about RPA. There are 4 key points I'll be discussing throughout the video. I'll begin by what is RPA, then I'll move on to how RPA works, then I'll move on to what are RPA tools, and finally we'll be learning about applications of RPA. So let's get started. So, what is RPA? RPA is a short form of 3 big words: robotic, process, and automation. When we know the meaning of these 3 terms, we'll be able to define what RPA is. So, the first term, robotic, is robotic. Robotic means the use of robots to perform a human task. Process means the sequence of steps which is followed to get the desired result. Automation means to perform and complete the task without any human intervention. So, to sum it up, we can say that RPA is the use of software that can be easily programmed to perform any repetitive task which previously required humans to perform. We can automate any repetitive task with the help of RPA. Moving on, we will be learning about how RPA works.
We'll learn this part with the help of Pubg Mobile. Let's assume that you're bored of playing Pubg because all you do in the game is run, collect supplies, shoot, and hide. Now, we are going to automate this task. The instructions for this task is: your bot/character must land, your bot must run, your bot must collect supplies, your bot must shoot enemies, and your bot must hide when the enemy shoots you. Now, we have a bot which is the player, and we also have the task. But how should we automate this? So, we automate all our tasks using RPA tools. Now, the role of RPA tools is that RPA tools takes in the instructions and make the bot perform it. Okay? Now, let me quickly summarize the working of RPA. RPA is used to automate repetitive tasks. Therefore, here our task was to automate the player. There are various instructions or processes which leads to the completion of task. Here, our instructions were to run, shoot, hide, etc. These instructions are told to the RPA tool which automates these tasks. If you still don't understand the working of RPA, I can even tell it even more in a very simpler manner. We can say that there is a bot which waits for your instructions, and there are a sequence of steps which lead to the completion of tasks, and then there are RPA tools which take in the instructions and make the bot do it, hence automating the task. And friends, this is how RPA works.
Moving on, we'll be learning about what are RPA tools. RPA tools are /vendors or the software through which you can configure the task that has to be automated. Famous RPA tools are UiPath, Blue Prism, and Automation Anywhere. Moving on, we'll be discussing about top 5 applications of RPA. So, the role of RPA in healthcare. RPA bots can streamline online scheduling. Factor received via appointment requests like diagnosis, location, insurance carrier, personal preferences, etc. can be gathered in a report and forwarded to a referral management representative who makes the appointment. RPA helps in the effective management of supply processes like claims and billings. Claims management take a lot of time due to many sub-processes such as inputting data, processing data, evaluating data, etc. Automation can lead substantially faster and error-free processing. Moving on, we'll be discussing the role of RPA in transport and logistics. RPA helps logistics in automating tracking system for shipments. It helps in checking and reporting shipment status to logistic companies and customers. Managing invoices is vital to the success of every logistics and supply chain businesses. Manually tracking and entering invoice data is labor-intensive yet mission-critical process. RPA speeds up tasks such as extracting information from invoices tasks and validating and verifying invoices so that we can free up the labor while ensuring the invoices are accurately handled. Moving on, we will be discussing the role of RPA in insurance. RPA can be implemented in claims processing and clearance. Claims processing requires companies to gather a vast amount of info from various sources. This is laborious task. This will slow down the efficiency and flexibility. RPA makes it possible to integrate all the different claim processing information from multiple sources. Moving on, we'll be discussing the role of RPA in banking and financial services. Several banks around the world are using RPA to minimize errors and human efforts. Some of these uses are customer service. Banks deal with multiple queries ranging from bank frauds to account inquiry, loan inquiry, etc. It is difficult for the customer service team to address them with less turnaround time. RPA resolves the low priority queries so that the team can focus on high priority queries requiring human intelligence. Earlier, bank took weeks to approve and validate credit card applications of a customer. However, with the help of RPA, banks are now able to speed up the process. It takes few hours for the RPA software to gather documents of the customer, make credit card checks and background checks, and take a decision based on set parameters whether the customer is eligible for credit card or not. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video.
Walking, keep walking. You want chips or what? Keep walking, keep walking, keep walking.